Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you where you can find the website section URL for your Wix websites in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to your Wix website, to the editor of course, and navigate to the page in the top left and also navigate to the given section. Next, hover your mouse over the given section and here to the right you will see that navigation bar with these three dots. Select more actions. Now what you want to do from that menu is navigate to the section settings, and here you may for example give your section a name and expand the section URL button. Give it for example name as well, and here below you will see the URL, so you may click into it to copy it to your clipboard, and that's it. Now of course the section URL is part of the entire page and website, so it won't go online as long as you don't publish your website here on Wix. So and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.